Hello friends, in this problem you have been given a circle and this circle is ACBD and two chords are given. The first chord is AB and the next chord is CD and these two chords are perpendicular to each other. They intersect at point P such that length CP is equals to 3 unit and length PD is equals to 4 unit. Similarly, length AP is equals to 6 unit and length PB is equals to 2 unit. Then you have to find what is the radius of this circle, and in this case if you join AO, this is the radius. So you have to basically find length AO. So how will you do this problem? Now to do this problem you will need to draw perpendiculars from O on this chord and from O on this chord, and then you can use Pythagoras theorem and then you can find AO. So let us try to do this problem. So this is the circle and two chords. So let us first draw a perpendicular OM, and this is here from O to chord AB. So this OM is the perpendicular. Now if you remember, if I draw a perpendicular from center to any chord, basically this is the midpoint. That is, M is the midpoint of AB. In other words, I can say length AM is equals to half of length AB. And what is the length AB? This length is 6 unit and this length is 2 unit. So 6 plus 2 is the total length, that is length of AB. So 8 unit is the length of AB. So now I can say M is equals to 6 plus 2 divided by 2 because this is the midpoint. So this is 4 unit. Now similarly you can draw another perpendicular from O to CD. So let's call this as ON. So we can draw a perpendicular from O on chord CD and let's call this as ON. So this is another perpendicular. Once again, this will be the midpoint. This means this length or this length will be half of the total length. What is the total length? So this is the 3 unit and this is 4 unit. So total length is 7 unit. So 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. So this length is 3.5 unit. So same thing, ND, that is this length, ND is equals to 3 plus 4. So this is 3, this is 4. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 3.5 unit. So this length I know that is 3.5 unit and I also know this length, that is 4 unit. I can calculate this length NP. What will be the NP? So this total length is 4 unit, that is this total length is 4 unit and this length is 3.5 unit. This means this length is 0.5 unit. So now I know NP is equals to 4 minus 3.5, that is 0.5 unit. So now if you consider this MPNO, this is basically a rectangle. You can show this because this is perpendicular and this is also perpendicular. This means this is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So the other angle has to be 90 degree. This means this is a rectangle. This means if this length is 0.5 unit, MO will also be equals to 0.5 unit. So now I know MO is equals to 0.5 unit. So I know MO and I know AM. I can basically join these two. So I will have a right angle triangle, and in the right angle triangle I can use Pythagoras theorem. So if I use the Pythagoras theorem, length OA will be a square of AM plus a square of OM, and then you have to take the square root. So square root AM square plus OM square. So this is the radius. So this AO is basically equals to radius of this circle. So OA is equals to, AM is what? AM is 4 units, so 4 square plus OM, and OM is 0.5, that is half a square. So 4 into 4, 16, and divided by 1 by 4, 16 into 4, that is 64 plus 1, 65. So this length will be 65 and in the denominator we will have 4, so 65 by 4. So square root of 65 by 4 is the radius of this circle. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video on my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.